In a joint statement led by human rights lobby group Jamaicans for Justice (JFJ) and Jamaica Environment Trust (JET) on Monday, the groups say despite issues raised by various stakeholders, the government has shown no signs of addressing the raft of concerns expressed by various stakeholders about NARA. JFJ and JET say they formally submitted detailed concerns and recommendations to the Office of the Prime Minister and the Leader of the Opposition on March 30. In their joint submission, JET and JFJ highlighted several critical concerns with the bill in its current form. These include the highly centralized CEO-driven structure with insufficient independent oversight and weak provisions for transparency, accountability, and public participation. The submission also expressed worry about what it says is the absence of a clearly defined governing board with delineated responsibilities and inadequate safeguards to ensure long-term resilience, environmental protection, and public trust. It adds that to date, no response has been received from the Office of the Prime Minister, leaving uncertainty as to whether these submissions are being meaningfully considered in the parliamentary process.